Hey everybody, we're down in Cape Coral, Florida with the 720s McLaren Spyder. We're getting ready to take this thing for a spin on the road. Come take a ride with Uncle Billy. Rock and roll, baby.
Rock and roll, baby.
Ooh. Here we go.
Nah, we're good.
Here we go, baby.
Let's
go. Now we gotta do the lip.
Yup.
Raise it up.
Raise it up. And that's that little button right there?
That's the button right there that pushes it and raises the car up in the front. It'll stop blinking after 10 seconds, I believe so. Yep. Up. Which way you want me to go?
Whichever way you want to go. I'm leaving this totally up to you. It does, right?
Anybody out there want to reach out to us and give us any advice? We wouldn't mind taking that as well.
Absolutely.
We want to be the best out there. But we want to be the best for a greater cause.
Absolutely. Oh man. The brakes are just so good.
They need to be broken in. So I'm gonna need a GoPro if I drive back from Florida with this.
I'll give you one of these.
Yeah.
if you do it.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, we got some.
That's all right. That was a good pull. Woo.
So here we are on the main strip, Cape Coral, Florida.
Beautiful down here, bro.
It is, isn't it? I gotta make sure I keep you safe, your family will kill me.
So Bill, considering this thing is always in Florida, do you miss it when you drive it?
I do.
Are you missing it a little bit?
I come in, I enjoy it a lot.
You enjoy it a lot down here.
I think it's got to come back to New York. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to bring it back.
Absolutely, and I mean...
So it'll be back within a week.
There it is.
So I think it's time. I have no idea where I'm going, so I'm going to try to...
Hey, just keep it going, wherever.
This is one of the main strips down here. Beautiful over here. Quiet, peaceful.
So nice, dude. It's gorgeous.
Very easy to get lost down here too.
Oh my gosh, I can imagine. I got lost going to the Dollar General. There's no turns involved. I got lost.
Navigation, Google Maps.
Yep, that's what I needed. Stop.
Oh God, he's gonna be mad at me right now. But she turns around. No, wow.
We're good. Got it on video.
Yeah.
You were just moving.
I was.
You had the tires spinning a little bit. Classic.
This is a car that meant to be.
Oh,
you gotta have fun in
gosh.
this car.
Absolutely.
So yeah, well, all right. I think you're right. I think it needs to go back home. All right, I guess we gotta catch up.
And we're there. 2 seconds.
Yeah, I just gotta remember how to get back to the house.
Yeah, I don't know because I don't think I
can do
took
that,
this
we'll
way
be all
back.
Follow the palm trees?
Yeah, follow the palm trees. Follow the smell of the water.
So we're hoping more people subscribe. We're hoping you push the button. We hope you share with people.
We hope you love us.
We want you to love us. We're a good family. We love each other. We love other people. We love to do charity. And, you know, we want you to make us up there. We want you to put us up there. That's where we belong. That's where we want to be.
Absolutely.
We want to share everything with you guys. We want you to have fun. And we love feedback. We love comments.
Yeah, drop a comment.
Drop a comment on Instagram, right?
Instagram, YouTube, anything,
TikTok, right?
TikTok, everything and anything. Let us know what let them tell us what they want to see. What do they want to see?
That's right. What do you guys want to see that's different?
Exactly, that's different. Listen, just let the people know what they got to do. Subscribe.
Keep subscribing. Keep hitting the button. Get all the subscribe for us. Support us. Stand behind us. We're a good family. We love to have fun. We love to do videos. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Absolutely.